Hi everyone, in this Ivanti video I'm going to tell you about the Software Insights dashboards in Ivanti Neurons for Spend Intelligence. As the name suggests, a Software Insights dashboard gives you insights into the software in your IT estate. Let me show you some first, and then I'll explain what they tell you and how they work. The Software Insights Home dashboard shows you information about your IT estate. It shows the number of instances of server operating systems, the number of instances of client operating systems, the number of software products that require licenses, and the total number of software installations. Below this are three charts that show the top 5 vendors in your estate by the number of software installations, the top 5 vendors in your estate by the number of products, and the top 5 installed software titles in your estate that require licenses. These charts enable you to identify who your biggest strategic vendors are based on the number of installations and on the number of products, and also which licensable software titles have been installed most. You can click these items on the Software Insights dashboard to see more detail. If you click the licensable software tile, for instance, you can see the licensable software dashboard, which lists all the licensable software in your estate, including an icon that enables you to export this data, the ability to mark software as prohibited, and tiles that provide information about end-of-life software in your estate, as well as upgrade and reclamation opportunities that exist in your estate. Clicking Reclamation Opportunities displays a grid that shows you which installed licensable software in your estate looks like it's suitable to reclaim the license for, based on its usage. If you also have Ivanti Service Manager or Ivanti Asset Manager, you can even log a ticket directly from this page requesting the removal of software that's not being used. I'll put a link in the description to another video on that topic. We've seen the sort of thing that we can learn about our IT estate using the data in Software Insights, but where does this data come from? The Ivanti Neurons platform provides connectors that enable you to import device, software and user data into it from different sources. For example, you can import data from Active Directory, Ivanti Endpoint Manager, Microsoft SCCM, and Ivanti Data Center Discovery. This data is held in the cloud in Ivanti Data Services and is then used by another Ivanti service called Software Inventory. This service takes the software data from data services and matches it to items in the Ivanti Definitive Software Library. This means, for example, that if your discovered software data includes an instance of MS SQL Server 2019 and an instance of Microsoft SQL Server 2019, they will both be identified as the same software title, and the definitive title of Microsoft SQL Server 2019 will be used for both. The DSL also knows which software titles use licenses and which don't. This means that matching your discovered software with items in the DSL also enables Software Inventory to identify which software titles installed on your estate require a license and which don't, giving you a better understanding of your license position. It is this data that is used in Software Insights. The Ivanti Neurons platform enables you to collect data from a range of sources, combine it into a single source, and then identify exactly what software you have and what its license liability is, all on a single dashboard. Finally, note that this data is also available to import into other applications such as Ivanti License Optimizer, enabling you to have a unified vision of your entire IT estate. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to our channel to see more videos like it.